Today I'm going to make a bezel out of sterling silver for this 6mm round CZ. Materials you will need today are a round faceted stone that is 4mm or larger, 18 to 20 gauge metal that is as wide as the depth of your stone plus 1mm, a ruler, a saw, your soldering setup, flux and saving solution, solder, round flat pliers, parallel pliers, a round bezel mandrel, a bezel punch, your rubber mallet, a hammer, a sanding stick, file, a steel block, rubber wheels, and your hammer setting tools. I will use 18 gauge flat stock. To determine the length of metal that is needed to wrap around my stone, I will use this formula. I will use my scribe to mark the measurement, and I will cut it with my saw. I will start to form it with my flat round pliers. After it has pickled, I will hammer the bezel on my bezel mandrel with a rubber mallet. I will check to see if the bezel is flat by placing it on my steel block. I will take the dap and a hammer, and I will hammer the end of the dap. I will begin by hammering the north, south, east, and west points on the bezel. With the formula that I provided today and the right steps in place, any size bezel can be set and achieved.